In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Notion pages using N8n in just 5 minutes. Let's get started so you can seamlessly integrate these tools into your workflow. First off, you'll want to head over to the AI Workflow Automation Platform and Tools, specifically N8n. This powerful tool allows you to automate tasks that would otherwise require manual input, saving you both time and effort. You can do this by visiting the N8n website using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. It's fairly straightforward, and following the prompts will have you ready in no time. After successfully signing in, you'll land on the N8n dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage workflows, credentials, and much more. Now, let's move forward by creating a new workflow. Look for the option labeled Create Workflow on your dashboard. Clicking it will open a fresh canvas where you'll build your automation. Think of this space as your digital workshop where you can map out how you want data to flow between different applications and services like Notion. At this point, you'll need to add nodes to your workflow. Each node represents a task or a function in your automation pipeline. Click on Add Nodes to start this process. A search bar will appear, allowing you to find the specific application or service you want to integrate, which in our case is Notion. Simply type Notion into the search bar and select it from the list of available integrations. Once you have selected Notion, you'll want to configure it properly. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions by connecting your Notion account. This will generally involve authorizing N8n to access your Notion workspace, and you might need to follow a few on-screen prompts to complete this step. With Notion now connected to your workflow, you are set to create the specific tasks you want to automate. The beauty of using a platform like N8n is its versatility. You can experiment with different configurations to update specific Notion pages. Perhaps you're logging project updates, tracking tasks, or managing content. All this can be done with just a few more tweaks in your workflow. As you explore these options, remember to periodically save your work to avoid losing any progress. And there you have it, a streamlined way to update Notion pages using N8n, all wrapped up within minutes. Feel free to explore other nodes and customize your workflow to suit your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!